Hey everyone, welcome back to ForexCracked, your go-to place for all things finance and trading. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Forex trading and sharing some essential tricks that can help you become a more successful trader. So, let's get started. Trick number 1. Understand the market hours. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. However, not all hours are created equal. The market is divided into 4 major sessions: the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session. Each session has its own unique characteristics and volatility. Knowing when to trade can significantly impact your success. Generally, the overlap between the London and New York sessions is the most volatile and provides the best trading opportunities. Here's a quick chart showing the overlap times for these sessions. Make sure to plan your trading around these times for the best results. Trick number 2. Use technical analysis tools. Technical analysis is the study of past market data, primarily price and volume, to forecast future price movements. Some popular technical analysis tools include moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and Fibonacci retracements. These tools can help you identify trends, support and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points. Here's an example of a chart with a moving average and RSI indicators. Notice how they can help you spot potential buy and sell signals. Trick number 3. Stay updated with economic news. Economic events and news releases can have a significant impact on currency prices. Make sure to keep an eye on economic calendars and be aware of major news events such as interest rate decisions, employment reports, and GDP releases. These events can create volatility in the market and present trading opportunities. Here's an example of an economic calendar. Mark the important dates and plan your trades accordingly. Trick number 4. Practice proper risk management. This is perhaps the most crucial aspect of successful Forex trading. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. Proper risk management can help you survive in the market long enough to learn and improve your trading skills. Here are some quick tips for managing risk. Remember, preserving your capital is key to long-term success. And finally, trick number 5. Stay disciplined and keep emotions in check. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster. It's essential to stick to your trading plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and stay patient. Discipline and emotional control are vital to consistent success in Forex trading. Here's a simple graphic to remind you to keep your emotions in check while trading. That's it for today's video. I hope these tricks help you on your Forex trading journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe to ForexCracked for more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading.